In this short tutorial, we will learn how to consume the complete dataset matching your query by paginating through the API output. The demo is in Python, however the logic matches any language. I'm running a query that will produce a few hundred results, so we will have something to paginate against. As you can see on our playground, the total number of results is 425 and we have 325 more results available. I'm using our Python SDK to call the API endpoint. It's on GitHub and you can either download it or use pip install or even use PyCharm UI to install it. The code is less than 10 lines. The first line imports our SDK library. The second line sets our access token. The third line does the actual call to the endpoint with our query. In this case, we call the filter web content endpoint. Now, we will keep on calling the next endpoint up until we have no more results left. For each call, we will loop through the total number of posts and print the title and the publication date of each post. This line is the most important one, as it calls the pagination URL that appears at the end of the JSON and loads the next batch of results. Once there are no more results available parameter will be 0 and the loop ends. That's it. It's as simple as that.